Okay, so I'm back from holidays, sort of a holiday, mostly a holiday, but a little wedding shoot. And it looks like when I was gone, this showed up. Oh yes, so that's kind of exciting. So point that mic a little bit more at me. I had to take all my camera gear down and bring it with me, so now I'm trying to reset it all back up. Anyways, Mac Mini, new Mac Mini, right there. And this is just so you guys can see. This is the base M2 Pro Mac Mini. So 16 gigs, 512 gig SSD, Mac Mini with Apple M2 Pro. So we're going to do a couple of videos in the next couple days on this. So today we're just doing an unboxing to see kind of what it comes with. So I'm guessing this is going to be a short video, but it's going to follow up and we're going to put it up against the old M1 MacBook Pro just so we can see how it stacks up against the M1. I'm guessing it's going to dominate it. And then, of course, we're going to put it up against the M1 Mac Studio, and I run the 32-core GPU. So we're going to put the 32-core GPU, which really there's not a lot of difference over the 24-core, but we're going to put that one up against this in a whole bunch of tests. And if you guys want anything else in the next week or so, let me know, because I bought it, but I don't think I'm going to keep it. I have a studio. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the box. I'm a super excited. If this would have came out in December or like November, December, I probably would have bought this instead of the Studio, because even the M2 Pro right now in Canada, you're looking at like $16.99, I believe it is, versus the base Studio, which is $2,500. So that's, you know, that's $700 difference, which is a lot, right? It's $700 difference. You're looking at about 2/3 the price of a Mac Studio. So the real question for me will be, is it 2/3 the machine or is it more? Because if it's more, then that may be reason enough for a lot of us to jump that way, right? So pretty standard Apple stuff. We just kind of peel off this goodness right here. Okay, and again, it's a tiny box. I have never owned a Mac Mini. Never owned a Mac Mini. I'm very pleased with my Mac Studio. It's my go-to powerhouse machine, right? And there it is. So first off, we'll just put that off to the side. You are going to get a design by Apple. You're going to get your power cord, and that's really it, because it doesn't come with a keyboard. It doesn't come with a trackpad. It doesn't come with a mouse. It doesn't come with a monitor. It doesn't come with anything. It doesn't come with anything. Inside here, of course, my guess is you're going to get some instructions. Do you get stickers? Really? No stickers anymore? Oh yes, there are. Okay. Actually, it's a big sticker. I didn't think there was a sticker. That's a nice sticker. I wonder if that should just stay with me. Maybe. It might stay with me, no matter what. We'll see. All right, let's put this stuff back and look at the actual Mac Mini. All right, so first off, you get a nice long cable. It's pretty standard. This is the same kind of cable that you see, I think, that you see in like the Apple TVs and pretty much every Mac Mini that's probably come out forever. So cool, right? That's cool. And there it is. You guys are seeing it in all its glory. It does have this cool little pull this off, right? Mac Mini, right? Mac Mini. So, port wise, I'm like, where is it's hidden under more tape. Look at this. I'm like, it's smart though, right? So what you're going to get in here, so you're going to get two USB-A styles and HDMI. Now, this is an HDMI 2.1. So for a lot of people, this could be a huge reason to go with the actual Mac Mini, because if you're running a monitor that can give you like 120 hertz or anything like that, that could be really nice. You're going to get four, you can see them in there, 4 USB-C Thunderbolt ports. That is a pretty nice, like, I'm guessing, venting system. There's going to be your Ethernet, your power, or your power cable, where your power cable goes, and of course your power button. Other than that, that's it. It's so little, right? So little. Thumbnail right there. Thumbnail. Okay, so we're gonna start. I'm going tonight to actually restore or move my time machine back up onto this from my studio so that both of them are running the exact same pieces of software. Then we can just see how this works, because I think for a lot of people this is going to be the machine to get, especially if you're like a YouTuber or a video guy that, you know, you put out 1 video a week, 2 videos a week, fine. Now, if you are pushing out like me, you know, 7+ videos a week, then the more you can get, the better, right? So I'm excited to see how this actually compares. All right, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell. This is just a quick unboxing of the Mac Mini M2 Pro base unit. And leave comments below if you have any tests or comparisons, or if you have any questions on it, because I will try to answer as many as I can in the next week. All right, guys, again, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and I will see you guys tomorrow with the more Mac Mini videos. Later.